Hi Gemini, this is your love reading for the month of April. I am going to look at the energies that came out for you while I was shuffling the cards. I took time to do your reading. I'm sorry about that, but I have the picture what you are going through and what will come to you in the near future for the rest of the days of April or May. The picture is clear, so let's start on this. But before that, before the tarot, I'm going to read out a card from the Universal Love Notes by Mike Dooley. It has got a simple and small message for you. It is saying karma is on your side. If you could read all the minds that I read, hear all the prayers that I hear, and beat all the hearts that I beat, I wonder if you would even believe how often you are thought of, talked about, and you were fallen in love with. It's payback time. So it's payback time for you, some of you, and you are feeling burdened, but angels are saying that karma is on your side. Karma is on your side. You will be benefiting from what you are doing right now. So some of you are feeling burdened in your love situation or relationship situation. You are carrying this burden for a long time, but the time has come when you will be putting this back. You will be taking out this, you will be getting out of this situation of high burden. I am seeing some of you are feeling exhausted, some of you are feeling bored, some of you are in apathy. Some of you are not even looking at the reconciliations, the offer of other love, offer of anything which is coming to you, because your eyes are closed. You are going down with this burden, but this will not carry on for a long time. So the situation where you are finding yourself, you are feeling extorted, you are feeling that you have been taken advantage of. So you are feeling like a victim, you are in pain, but you will be able to come out of it if you are able to come out of this Four of Cups situation. You are not seeing the cups offered to you behind your back, people talking about you, people talking so well about you, having good opinion of you. You are not listening to all that. You are feeling dejected, you are feeling apathy, you are passive right now. So this is happening because of a situation which you committed to. There was a commitment with a Taurian maybe, or there is a commitment to a religion, commitment to a family, commitment of being of help to others, commitment of being your higher self. So you had committed, and now this commitment is bringing you despair. Now you are feeling that the brunt, you are feeling it. You are feeling that something you had promised, something you wanted to do for your community, something you wanted to do for your family, bring out your higher self, that is overwhelming you. You are having sleepless nights because of a commitment you made in love, commitment you made to your family, commitment you made to your children or your husband or anyone in your life who is closely connected and in a long term situation with you. Some of you are feeling overwhelmed, some of you are in despair, but angels are saying this stagnancy, this problem will change for you, healing will happen for you, recovery will happen for you. You will be in moderation. So if you have to say no to someone, please say no, because or you get to the middle path. Try to avoid, you are being pressed into service right now, which is causing you your sleepless nights. So if you are feeling like this, if you are in so much of worry, the time has come to be diplomatic, time has come to be moderate, time of healing has come, time to dilute the responsibilities have come, time to delegate has come. So I am seeing that a new beginning will take place. You will think differently, you will think of a situation, you will become energetic again from the Four of Cups situation. That is what I am seeing. A recovery will happen. So whatever was bringing you down, whatever was, taxing you, burdening you, you will be able to get back on your feet, and you will be attracting new love situation, new partnership, new probabilities, new opportunities in your life. The situation of, indecision, situation of stagnancy, situation of pull between two different forces will go away now, because I am seeing the Knight of Cups and a Chariot. A Cancerian energy will come in, or any other water sign will come in, or this will be your embodiment of the water knight. This will be, the charioteer. You will become the charioteer. You will become someone who will have lot of willpower. You will have intuitive ideas. You will have a solution in hand, and you will be able to come back to balance with focus on your love life. So you will not be in indecision anymore. You will be able to come out of it because of your problem solving abilities, because of your willpower, and because of your intuitive thinking. So either a lovable knight will come and take you or rescue you out of a situation of stagnancy or worry, or you will yourself become like this. You will become the lovable knight. You will hold lot of love, and your willpower towards your love will bring in love towards you, and you will be able to go towards your destination of love or the person you love. That is what I am seeing. I am seeing a healing taking place, definitely joy and happiness coming in, a success coming in, a mission is going to be accomplished. You will be enjoying with friends. That is what I am seeing. Some of you will be rebuilding your life towards a love with a new effort, new direction. You will be going towards this love because this opportunity is coming to you. Something will be accomplished in this love, and new efforts will be made towards a love situation. That is what I am seeing. Some of you will come into with your friends and family, that the collaboration will take place. Friends will help. Something will be organized. Something will come into honesty and organization in your love life. So it is coming in. People will help you in this. That is what I am seeing. And you will also make great efforts towards a relationship or a family member. That is what I am seeing. I am seeing that you will be able to come into the King of Wands situation. You will become charismatic. You will have the leadership qualities in love. You will be able to steer your love. You will be able to find your love. That is what I am seeing. I am also seeing that harmony will prevail. Someone old, someone from your past situation will come to you. Both of you will find happiness and harmony. Some long-term relationship, or some of you will be going towards your home or hometown and feel happiness. Angels are telling you the deception, the indecision, the darkness, or the secrets that you were in will be revealed, or you need to watch your back in this dark period. You are being told that the hazy period will go away. Your smartness, your Seven of Swords energy, your quickness, your quick decisions or planning will help you to attract a change of heart from someone, or a reconciliation from someone, or some love opportunity is coming in towards you. That is what I am seeing. So your situation is going to get better from worries, and healing will take place. New opportunity of love and passion is coming in, and with the help of friends and family, you will be able to go towards a creative solution in love. That's what I'm seeing. So that's it from my side, my dear Geminis. I wish you all the best in your love life. If you have resonated with this, please like and subscribe. And if you want me to look at your love life more specifically, I give tarot readings to people and look at their love life, career, or other situations in family life, or other broader situations. So if you want to seek a reading from me, you can leave in a comment in the comment box, request a reading. I will get back to you and tell you how to book my reading. So bye bye.